Hello, this is Shak once again with a video on this time with JKH. Api then John Keeves Holdings PLC chart ek balamu. This is all history on weekly closing basis. We have the directional movement ADX එක එතකොට MACD එක volume standard indicators තියෙනවා in addition to moving average. So JKH is trading above the moving average, so I am bullish on JKH. Right, so let us look at, just scan through for a minute what you see. Right, excellent. Now what I see here is a harmonic pattern. Right, so probably this is a 38.2 to 50%, and then this could be 78.6, and here you have about 127 to 113 extensions. So right, so what we are seeing here, let us measure it and see. Okay, අපි දැන් මෙතන use කරන Fibonacci tool එක. So how do you use a Fibonacci tool? Yes, you take the lowest to the swing high. Okay, so when you have this two extreme points in a given price action, yes, we can measure the point of correction. See, it was selling off, the market selling, comes down to 159, and market goes for a correction. After this, it's looking for kind of a pullback towards 50, and then comes down to an extreme correction level again, and start moving towards 127 or 113 extension. This is what we are seeing in the market, especially in JK. So this was something very recent price action what we saw here. And are we seeing any more action on JKH? Yes, the JKH directional movement ADX is around 17. I prefer it to be above 20 when I'm bullish. MACD, let's see, it's all pointing up. The recent signal is a buy. Yes, very good. So all is giving us or pointing us towards one direction, that is that price is going to go for some kind of appreciation. Very nice. So this is what we need. Now let us go to one of the recent let's say few. Okay, this is the 2-year history on a weekly basis. Okay, what we are seeing here is, there was a consolidation taking place between 205 to 250. So we are trading in a box of 50 rupee. Okay, ranging period here. So 1 2 point here and then went here, but will it come here? We don't know. Okay, so we don't want to discount anything. What we need is to work with what we have. So probable that either we wait for a breakout here on the 250, let it close above that, or we take a chance and enter here not to miss a trade. Or you can do is to wait until it comes down here. Okay, so we have two choices here. Either we wait for the breakout and trade. If it breaks out, එතකොට අපි position එක ගන්නවා මේ හරි. Okay, and we will sell around 300. Okay, so that would be our target. Okay, now don't forget, I'm sure you are seeing a harmonic pattern here as well. Okay, so don't forget that. So I'll come to that a bit later. So you have two directions, so I will point it out where you'll be going. I would be preferably targeting around this 290, not 300, because I feel there will be some resistance coming. Okay, we don't know, so better to close not all your positions, probably around 25% of your position. It's better to exit and take some profit, okay, and enjoy yourself. Or should, let's say, JKH go for another testing around the resistance here and fails and comes sorry, towards 220 again, so you have a support of around, I would say, 230 or somewhere here as a support to come. Okay, so is this something of a harmonic pattern now? Let's have a look. Okay, I'm looking at here. Yep, it looks very much okay, which is from, sorry, oops, sorry, here, let me delete this one. Okay, now I'm gonna draw the harmonic here. This is the lowest here, and it comes down here. Okay, where should it go? Yep, it should go here. Alright, so we are almost like a harmonic, what we are going to see here. Okay, so let's now we start measure again. Let us measure it again to ensure we have this one. Okay, now we are going to measure it from here too. Okay, so you have from this point to this leg, and then it's come for a 50%. It could be a bat even. Okay, and almost a very nice a pullback, and probably we should be seeing around here, around 290 towards 300. So we are seeing another harmonic in the making, with a very nice 50% retracement, and then comes down here and then going up. And apart from this, we are working on a range, a consolidation which is taking place, which you saw before, and this one has turned up, which in other words should see about 20 in days to come. And there are possible scenarios which we discussed already. What we are saying here is that this can go here, can come for further, probably can find a support around 220, or a support in this region as well, so 235. So in an extreme scenario, I prefer it to come back again. Maybe I don't think it may come back again, because this support should see a good support here for us, so it will be a stronger even here around 225. So preferably we are looking around 230 short-term correction, and yeah, and so those are the two opportunities we may be able to map at the moment. So we are looking basically around 290. Okay, so this is the direction we are looking at. So we are very bullish as well, and that's about JKH. So we got a harmonic pattern in the making, and it's in the progress towards 290 or 300. Okay, and good luck, happy trading, and have a great week ahead.